Hello everyone. Have you ever typed some code, hit run, and nothing worked, or got a bunch of weird errors? That is usually because of syntax. Today we are going to learn what syntax in programming is and why it matters so much. Syntax in programming is basically the set of rules that tells the computer how to read your code. Think of it like grammar in a language. Just like in English, you write I goes to school. People understand your meaning, but it is not grammatically correct. In programming, if your syntax is wrong, the computer won't understand your instructions at all. It will throw an error. For example, if you print some text, you write this print parenthesis open whatever text you want to display, you can write in parenthesis and then parenthesis close. This works perfectly, but if you forgot the parenthesis or quotation marks like this, you will get the syntax error. Different programming languages have their own syntax rules, but the idea is the same. You must follow the rules or the program won't run. It's important to know the difference between syntax errors and logic errors. Syntax errors happen when you break the rules of the language, like missing a parenthesis or a semicolon. The computer can't even read your code. Logic errors happen when your syntax is correct, but the instructions don't do what you intended, like adding numbers the wrong way. Syntax is all about form, logic is about function. Following syntax rules is essential because the computer very literal. Even one missing comma semicolon can stop your program from running. Good syntax doesn't just prevent errors, it also makes your code easier to read, maintain and share. So remember, syntax is the grammar of programming. Learn the rules, follow them carefully, and your code will run smoothly. In the next video, we will dive into what is an algorithm. So stay tuned.